How to change the subscribe page design in Beehiiv. In this video, I'll show you how to change the subscribe page design in Beehiiv. So to get started, go ahead and open Beehiiv on your preferred device and then sign in to your account. Now once you're on your account, go ahead and click on this website button at the left side of your screen and then click on Builder inside that. Now in here, go ahead and click on the Pages button that you'll find at the left side of your screen. And then on the Pages section, go ahead and look for the subscribe page. So go ahead and click on this and then look for subscribe page, click on it. And then once you're in here, go ahead and select the area that you want to modify in here. So make sure that you enable the advanced mode on the right side of your screen to be able to edit freely your subscribe page. So you can go ahead and edit the details such as the background, the text, the style of this whole page by using these tools at the right side of your screen. And then once you're satisfied with the changes, you can go ahead and click on the publish button at the top right of your screen to be able to publish this page as your new subscribe page. And that is how you can basically change the subscribe page design in Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.